Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos. Today I'm going to show you how to use fast forward and slow motion in Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. Let's get started. So let's say I have this section of video here that's going to take a long time to process and I want to speed it up a bit. Here's how I would do it. So I want to find where this process starts in the video. Looks like it's right around here. I'm going to stretch out my panel so that way I can see it better. I'm going to right click, show clip keyframes, time remapping, speed. This yellow line here represents how I can speed it up and slow it down. So I'm going to click on this pen tool here, and where the plus sign pops up, I'm just going to click. It's going to add a marker. This is where I want to start the process, and I'm going to slide this over all the way to the end on where I want to end this process. So keep sliding, and almost there. Right around here is where I want to end the process. So I'm going to stop it right here, and I'm going to make sure that the pen tool is selected, and I'm going to click right there. So now I've got two markers, and in order to either speed this up or slow it down, I click on the arrow here, and dragging it up will speed up the video, fast forward, and if I were to drag it the other way, it would slow it down and make everything go in slow motion. I really want to speed this up as fast as it'll go, so I'm dragging all the way up here, and as you can see, it cut out a very large portion of the video because I've sped it up. That portion of the video doesn't exist anymore. So what I'm going to do now is show you how fast this is going. So let's press play, and let's look at how fast this process goes. Just zooms right through it. Perfect. And that's really about it. So thanks for watching.